you've paid your employees and sent the full payment submission to HMRC on time. But when and how do you pay what you owe? Following the end of each pay period, your cleared payment must reach HMRC's bank account by the 22nd of the month. However, if you're paying by cheque, this must reach HMRC by the 19th. For example, if you've paid employees in tax month 4, that's the 6th of July to the 5th of August, you need to make sure your payment clears by the 22nd of August, or your cheque reaches HMRC by the 19th of August. If the deadline falls on a weekend or bank holiday, your payment must clear on the last working day before this, unless you're using faster payments. If your payment is late, you may be charged interest and penalties. Whenever you pay, it's important to use your accounts office reference number. This will have been sent to you when you registered as an employer. It's 13 digits long and is made up of a combination of letters and numbers. If your payment is very early or very late, you need to let HMRC know which tax year and month this is for. You do this by adding 4 numbers to the end of your accounts office reference number to show the year and tax month. For example, for tax month 4, a very early payment would clear into HMRC's account on or before the 5th of August, and a very late payment on or after the 6th of September. In both cases, you need to add the year and month number. So how can you pay? HMRC recommends paying by direct debit, approving a payment through your online bank account, bank transfer, or card online, which are convenient and secure. For your payment to clear the same or next day, please use faster payments, or CHAPS, but please check your bank's payment deadlines. You can also pay online by approving a payment through your bank account using your online banking details or debit or corporate credit card. There's a non-refundable fee for corporate card payments, but no fee for paying by personal debit card. You cannot pay by personal credit card. If you have 3 working days for your payment to clear, you can use an existing direct debit or BACS. When you pay by direct debit for the first time, please allow 5 working days for your payment to clear. After this, future payments will take 3 working days. If you have fewer than 250 employees, you can post a cheque with your account's office reference number on the back. But remember, it needs to reach HMRC by the 19th of the month. This is also less secure than other options. Remember to pay by the deadline to avoid any interest or penalties. You can find more information on gov.uk and in our other videos on YouTube.